Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Hytale on your PC and laptop in 2026. So yes, this is a fully step-by-step guide, so make sure you stick till the end. Now what you have to do is open Google Chrome or any web browser you like. For my case I'm using Microsoft Edge, and then here you have to type hytale.com/download. After this you will be brought to this web page. Just click on download for Windows and you'll notice it will start downloading a launcher. Just double click on the launcher and it will open like this. Now what you have to do is click on next, next again, and then click on install. It will complete installation and click on finish, and then here you can see it will be downloading the Hytale launcher. So yes, this is how you can download and install Hytale launcher on your own. So if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.